guys, so I moved. I moved apartments. I moved from Wonju to Seoul, South Korea, and I'm so excited to, you know, be here and to live in this really awesome city. But at the same time, I've been really sucky about filming my experience looking for apartments and moving and stuff like that, because it's just been so hectic. It was just like one thing after another, and things were just not going as smoothly as I planned them to be. So I just couldn't vlog for you guys. I'm sorry, but I am now in my new apartment and I'm gonna be decorating, and also I still have a ton of stuff to do. This is actually day 3 in my apartment, and it's looking pretty crazy still. There's just a ton of boxes everywhere. I just have to buy so many things for this apartment, and I thought I'd just take you guys along with me through this kind of journey of, you know, decorating and kind of settling down and moving into this new apartment. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna show you guys what this apartment looks like, because it is just a mess. Let me show you guys. So this oh my god, it's kind of embarrassing. So this is basically my living room area, and you just, as you can see, it's just a huge mess. So mess here, and over here. Oh, that's really bright, sorry. Kitchen, mess. Burger King, I had Burger King today because I haven't even done food shopping. Don't even know what I'm gonna do with these two things here. It's just a mess. Here, tons of laundry, boxes, bedding. I didn't even purchase any bedding yet. I'm planning to purchase some this coming week. So yeah, I don't even have pillows. Like, what's under there is actually my plushes. Is that what you call it? Like teddy bears and stuff. I don't have any pillows yet. So this is the current situation. Yeah, but today I just basically wanted to tackle the kitchen area because I have to still wipe everything down, like in and outside, because I realized when I moved here 2 days ago that it was just really dusty and it wasn't cleaned properly. So I had to disinfect and basically wipe down and deep clean everything. So I did all of the closets. So I have the closets in my bedroom and the closets in my walking area, as well as my bathroom. I scrubbed that. So today I want to tackle the kitchen, and yeah, let's go ahead and do that, because it is like 8 something at night and I really want to lay down and rest before I go to work in the morning. So yeah.
I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Love you like crazy. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Love you like crazy. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days, my worst days.
So it is now Saturday. Oh my god, it's Saturday. I didn't film Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday because I didn't really do much with the house. I think the last time I saw you guys, I left off with cleaning the kitchen, and that's literally where I picked up this morning, cleaning the kitchen. And yeah, it's been interesting because I've been working, and so all of the unpacking gets done after I get off work. But on Wednesday, I was just really tired. Like, everything just caught up to me and my body just really needed some rest. Like, I was sitting down eating and I was falling asleep while eating my dinner. So I just told myself to take Wednesday off. And then Thursday, I went to the immigration office, which wasn't that fun because they want me to come back again, but that's another story. But yeah, the immigration office is really far. It's like an hour and a half away, and then an hour and a half back. So that day I was really exhausted because I went right after work, and so I got home very late that day. And then so yeah, and then Friday, which was yesterday, I spent some time with a coworker of mine. I'm really just trying to make some new friends and get to know everyone at my new workplace, so I thought I'd take Friday night to do that. So now it's Saturday. It's actually around 8:20 right now, and I want to show you guys kind of what I've done with the kitchen, which is not really that much, but I feel like I got a lot done. So let's go ahead and see that, and I'll just kind of update you guys on what the apartment looks like, and then we're gonna continue to put things away. I actually ordered some takeout, so I'm just gonna show you guys and put maybe a few boxes away before the delivery comes. I haven't eaten any dinner and I'm starving, but yeah, let's go see what I have done so far. Let's go. Okay, so this is where I was just sitting talking to you guys. So the couch is now available to sit on, which is nice. Lots of boxes, as you can see here. I'm gonna try to get through a lot of these tonight. I also have boxes over here and just a huge mess over here of boxes that I need to throw out and things that I need to put together. I moved this back here, this drawer, because it just looked really weird, and because it's so like wide, the space here was just became very narrow, and I felt really like squished. So I moved it back here, and then I moved the shelf next to the couch. I'm not really sure if I want to keep the shelf. We shall see. But yeah, so look at this, guys. I call this a major improvement. You can actually see the top of the drawers and desk area, which is so nice. Such a big accomplishment. And then here is the kitchen, and I bought this off coupon, this like dish, what do you call this, dish drying tray shelf thing. But yeah, this dish tray, it's like a double layer drying rack. There we go, drying rack. And yeah, it fit perfectly here. I still have to wash all of these. I'm just waiting for these to dry and to put away before I continue to wash stuff. And I also have a lot of things that I have to wash in these bags too. Those are like my utensils. But I'll show you guys what I've done today. So I put away all of my cleaning supplies down here. I have some pots down here, and then in these drawers or these cabinets here, so on the top I just have like my wrapping stuff and my Ziploc bags, and then these are just like drink stuff, so like my teas, my coffee, my hot cocoa. Here I keep all of my cans, my ramen, things that I cook with. Here's my snack cubby. I don't know what I'm gonna put here yet, but on the bottom I just keep my rice and my oil and extra sugar. And on top of the fridge I put my toilet paper and paper towels, and then here are my spices, my medicine, and then I'm going to continue to fill this up with cups and plates once they dry. My dining table is now clear, which is nice and clean. My oven and my rice cooker here. I really don't like this here. I really wanted this to be kind of like a center
piece for the house, so I really want to decorate it nicely, put some artwork. So I still have to think about how I'm gonna hide these. I might have to like slide them down and hide them in the corner over there, but I'm just happy that I got all the stuff that was on top of here put away. And so all of these drawers have been cleaned inside and out, so now they're ready for me to put stuff inside. And yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to. And I also filled these drawers a little bit, so I have my pants here, my sleeping shirts here, workout leggings and regular leggings, and just like winter clothes, and just some random stuff on the 4th shelf there. And then tomorrow I'll probably do all my beauty products. I've been slowly just putting all of my beauty products on the table, and I'll get to that tomorrow morning. So yeah, but right now I'm just gonna tackle these boxes here.
What would you tell yourself if you could turn back? I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low hopes, I have little to no.
Time for a break. I got Beastie Burger. I've never tried anything from here before. It's my first time, so let's see how it tastes. And honestly, I have like no room here, but I guess we'll eat over here. Yeah, let's have some dinner. Alright, so I am now going to enjoy my dinner. It is almost 9 p.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my burger. I got a bacon cheeseburger with chili cheese fries and a pineapple soda, and I got it from Beastly Burger. I haven't tried their food, but they had some good reviews on the ordering app, the delivery app, so I thought I'd try it. And I just have my iPad, and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube while I eat my dinner. And I think I'm just gonna end the day here. I think after dinner I'm gonna finish the desk. I'm starting to feel a bit tired, so hopefully I can get all of this done by today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.